Ninja Kitchen System is designed for handling smoothies, drinks, sauces, or chopping tasks with one motor base. The buying question is whether its exact configuration fits that job. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. The supplied listing states, made for powering through the toughest ingredients. This matters most when evaluating the listed motor, container, blade, and preset arrangement. It also states, controlled speed and time programs for smoothie, frozen, extract, chop, and dough help take the guesswork out of your favorite recipes. Use that detail to judge whether the included capacity matches normal batch sizes, rather than treating the feature list as proof of performance. For everyday ownership, check dishwasher guidance, blade handling, cabinet clearance, and how many pieces need cleaning. Another supported detail is, great for making large batches for the whole family. Confirm the exact dimensions, included parts, power, and compatibility before ordering. The main limitation is that high-power blenders can be loud, and a large pitcher is less convenient for small servings or storage. Buyers making mostly single portions may prefer a compact personal blender. Overall, Ninja Kitchen System best fits shoppers whose priority is handling smoothies, drinks, sauces, or chopping tasks with one motor base, and whose setup matches the supported facts. Buyers making mostly single portions may prefer a compact personal blender.